In this video, I'm going to share with you how the inside of the Tesla tire looks like, and this applies to all the models of Tesla. And you can see that there is some memory foam, and it is installed because to reduce the road noise. So there is no rocket science here. It's just the simple memory foam that you would find in packaging or cushions. And the only problem is that when you have a flat tire and you go to the tire shop, many tire shop will refuse to repair it because of this layout here. So my advice is just to buy a regular tire the same size as you have, and just install that, so it's easier to maintain and repair in case if you have a flat tire. So this memory foam, it does not really make that much of a difference. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.